The largest wealth transfer in history is already underway. Over the next 2 decades, more than $124 trillion will move from baby boomers to younger generations. And most of the people inheriting that money are not planning to keep their parents' financial advisor. They don't want office meetings and phone calls. They want mobile-first, AI-powered wealth management. The platforms that serve them are being built right now. If you're a founder, fintech operator, or financial advisor, thinking about building a wealth management platform in 2026, this video is for you. We're not talking about competing with Schwab or Fidelity head-on. That is a losing game. We're talking about building intelligent, AI-driven platforms that serve the segments the giants still underserved. Automated investing for younger users, AI tools for independent advisors, hybrid platforms that combine automation with human expertise. There are 3 proven models to do this. Each one uses AI differently. Each one makes money differently. Let's break them down, and then I'll show you how the platform works. The global wealth management industry manages over $1.6 trillion in annual revenue and continues to expand as digital adoption accelerates. Robo-advisory alone is one of the fastest growing segments in fintech, driven by automation and lower fees. In the United States, investors under 40 are nearly 3 times more comfortable delegating portfolio decisions to AI than older generations. 3 wealth management models. There are 3 primary ways to build a profitable AI-powered wealth platform. Model 1. Robo-advisor platform. This is a fully automated wealth management system. Users enter their financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. AI constructs a diversified portfolio, rebalances automatically, and optimizes taxes without a human advisor. Revenue is typically AUM-based, charging between 0.25% and 0.5% annually. The advantage is scale. AI replaces manual portfolio construction and ongoing monitoring, allowing margins to improve as assets grow. Model 2. Advisor SaaS Platform. Instead of serving investors directly, you build software for financial advisors. AI handles onboarding, portfolio diagnostics, compliance documentation, risk profiling, and meeting preparation. Revenue comes from SaaS subscriptions per advisor or per firm. Thousands of independent advisory firms still rely on fragmented legacy tools. AI copilots dramatically reduce administrative workload and improve client reporting. Model 3. Hybrid Wealth Platform. This model combines automation with human advisory. AI handles portfolio construction and monitoring. Human advisors step in for complex planning, estate transfers, or high net worth clients. Revenue is tiered, lower cost AI-only plans and premium plans with human access. Let's begin with the AI-powered wealth management app. As soon as the user logs in, they land on the dashboard, where they get a complete overview of their financial portfolio. At the top, the total portfolio value is displayed along with performance insights. Users can track performance across different time frames, including all-time and yearly trends, giving them a clear understanding of how their investments are growing. Just below that, the app provides a detailed asset allocation breakdown. Users can see how their investments are distributed across stocks, ETFs, and cash, helping them understand their exposure and diversification at a glance. The platform also highlights portfolio health, along with top holdings and recent activity, giving users a quick snapshot of their overall financial position. Next, we move to the AI Advisor. The AI Advisor analyzes the portfolio and provides key insights such as risk score, diversification level, and overall market exposure. Based on this analysis, the system generates intelligent recommendations to optimize the portfolio. Users can also access the Rebalance Portfolio feature. Here, the AI suggests adjustments such as increasing or reducing exposure to specific assets, along with recommended investment amounts. A detailed report is available for users who want deeper insights before making decisions. The app also provides market insights, including performance tracking of major indices such as NASDAQ and S&P 500, helping users stay informed about broader market movements. Next, we move to the Invest section. Here, users can view their available balance, total invested amount, and detailed holdings across different assets. This section allows users to manage and expand their investment portfolio seamlessly. Following that, we move to the Goals section. This feature helps users plan and track their financial goals. Whether it's a retirement fund, home purchase, or education savings, users can monitor their progress with clear visual indicators showing how much of each goal has been achieved. New financial goals can also be created and managed directly within the app. Finally, we move to the Profile section. Here, users can view and manage their personal financial preferences, including risk tolerance levels ranging from conservative to aggressive. Linked bank accounts are also visible, along with settings for notifications and account management. With that, we conclude the walkthrough of the AI-powered wealth management app. Now that we've explored the mobile app, which serves as the base model, let's move to the SaaS Platform, the more advanced and detailed version of the system. As soon as the user logs into the dashboard, they are presented with a comprehensive overview of their financial ecosystem. At the top, key metrics such as total portfolio value, daily profit and loss, performance comparison against the S&P 500, cash balance, risk score, and AI portfolio score are clearly displayed. This allows users to instantly understand how their portfolio is performing relative to the broader market. The dashboard also highlights sector-wise exposure, showing where the majority of investments are concentrated. For example, users can see how much of their portfolio is allocated to sectors like technology, helping them evaluate diversification. Just below that, the platform provides a detailed asset allocation breakdown, giving users a clear view of how their investments are distributed across different asset classes. Next, we move to the Portfolio section. Here, users can see all their holdings in detail, including individual assets, investment amounts, and performance. This section gives complete visibility into the composition of the portfolio. After that, we move to the AI Advisor. The AI Advisor analyzes the portfolio and provides deep insights such as diversification score, risk level, and performance potential. It also generates intelligent investment recommendations, along with clear reasoning and a confidence score for each suggestion, helping users make informed decisions. Next, we move to the Market section. From here, users can explore and search for stocks, view trending or top-performing assets, and directly make investment decisions. This section acts as a gateway to real-time market participation. Following that, we move to Transactions. This section provides a complete history of all financial activities, including recent and past transactions. Users can filter data based on timeframes to track their investment behavior over time. Next, we move to Financial Goals. Here, users can set and track long-term financial objectives such as retirement planning, home purchase, or education funding. Each goal displays progress, contribution levels, and completion percentage, helping users stay aligned with their financial targets. After that, we move to Analytics. The Analytics module provides deeper performance insights, allowing users to evaluate trends, compare results, and understand how their portfolio is evolving over time. Next is the AI Control Center. This section gives users control over the AI engine powering the platform. Users can adjust recommendation sensitivity, enable or disable certain AI features, and customize how the system interacts with their portfolio. Following that, we move to Alert Management. Here, users can set up custom alerts based on market movements, price changes, or portfolio performance. This ensures they stay informed and can take timely action when needed. Next, we move to Accounts. This section displays all linked bank accounts and financial connections, providing a centralized view of the user's financial infrastructure. After that, we move to Billing. Here, users can manage their subscription plans. Different tiers, such as Starter, Professional, and Enterprise, offer varying levels of access and features based on user needs. Finally, we move to Settings. This section allows users to manage their profile, security preferences, and overall account configurations, ensuring a secure and personalized experience. With that, we conclude the walkthrough of the AI-powered wealth management SaaS platform. The next generation of wealth management platforms will be AI first, mobile first, and automation driven. At Code Brew Labs, we design and develop AI-powered wealth management systems. If you're serious about launching a wealth tech platform, click the link below and fill out a short form and schedule a free consultation call with us. Let's build a system that captures the generational shift and turns assets into recurring revenue. And if this video helped, subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products. And if you want to see more AI-powered platforms you can build, check out the videos on your screen.